Hi everyone, I'm in a polytunnel, and yes, you're right, it's dark. It's actually, I'll tell you what time it is. It's 11 o'clock at night. The forecast says there's a risk of frost, so I've taken a lot of plants into the house, tomato plants. So I'll have a quick look in the polytunnel, what I've left in here, and see what I've done to try and prevent it. I mean, it might not freeze, but I just don't want to take that chance. So I don't know whether you can see on the old night shot. Try it closer. These are bags of spuds. Juki Yorks are flying ahead of the rest. The international kidneys are usually a bit slow anyway. My Charlottes are a bit slow. Usual stuff. I mean, I did these raised beds. They're in now, so this is all kitted up ready. And my tomatoes actually go in. Usual lettuce and stuff down there. I put bubble wrap over some of my sort of semi-sensitive stuff to frost. Let's see, like pumpkins and cucumbers, dwarf French beans. Squeeze down here under this end. Things like sweet corn and runner beans. Pops a bit of bubble wrap over there. I mean, at the moment it's reading. You can see it's actually risen in temperature in here because I probably brought a lot of stuff in. It's a bit of a warm. It's actually saying it's 8.6 now. It was 7.9. I don't think it's going to freeze myself tonight. It's a bit too cloudy, but they say it's just a risk of frost. It's just for tonight, hopefully. Right, so we're going to have a look at the tomato plants in the house, and it is a bit of a jungle. Bear with me. How's that? Can't see where I'm going. Move this little greenhouse thing down here now. There's seedlings in it. Right, just turn my night shot off. Hope my lens doesn't steam up. Right, so these are some tomato plants for a friend of mine that I've put to one side for them. There's 9 there. I've got three cherry tomatoes, cherry Romas. They're very leggy, these. It was only this variety. I have given a load of tomato plants to my brother-in-law. He's got about 23, I think, altogether I've given him. I bet I've put them in bigger pots. They're in 3 litre pots now. So basically, I'll go over here to the peppers. These are my prairie fire peppers, and they're actually getting little buds on already. I've got 5 of them there in 3 litre pots. These are some other peppers. That's a mini bell pepper. 3 more prairie fire. That's tomato, ignore that. These are paper lantern. I've got some up in the loft under the lights at the moment, same as them, but they're about, this size. And these are cayenne peppers. Cucumbers at the back, they're all fem spot. They're all females, they're in F1. You don't have to mess about picking male flowers off and all that palaver. And here is, 20, I don't know, a lot, 26 tomato plants, something like that anyway. So basically, I'll just pull one out. This one is just a money maker. That's just one of my own. They were suffering under the lights in the loft, so I had to get them out. They were so cramped together they all started going leggy, so I thought I've got to get them out. I've done some fur that I'm going to grow outdoors. Like these, what's that one? That's a subarctic plenty. They're in 2 litre pots, just these tall pots. Good sturdy, like trunk on it really. All I did when I potted them on is I'll just grab one of my friend's plants, and you can see they're in slightly smaller pots than these. This is a litre pot. They're in probably half a litre pots. So basically I took the plant out and I just put it straight in the middle of the pot all the way down to the bottom and just filled it up. you know, so it'll shoot some more roots out the stem. That's all, nothing fancy. And I've just got some like kebab sticks at the moment, because eventually they're going to be strapped up, you know, in the next few weeks. So that's them. I say some are a bit leggy, different sizes, because some are like these ones, they look a healthier plant, and some of these have been outside, so they'll all catch up. So yeah, there's plenty to go at. I just didn't want to risk losing all these, because I've been growing them under light for months. Well, probably since about end of January, I think. I can't remember, to be honest. You probably saw me sow them in a video anyway, some tomatoes. So I think that's about all I've got in here, so I've got to update them. So I just thought I'd, since I've brought everything in, I thought I'd give you a little update, because I said I was going to give you an update, but I just had time and busy and I had a lot of problems and all that usual crap. So I will keep you posted, and I'll get another video on as soon as I get a chance. I'm very busy because I've got my fishing trip coming up. I need to sort my stuff out for that, and I'm working. Everything's just come at once. So thanks for watching, take care, I'll see you next video. Bye.